Hello, welcome to my work in progress video for week 1 and week 2. In my first folio, I aim to make a 3D character animation. I got this idea because I was inspired by this animator on YouTube called Kiki Flipnote. I really like his animation because I think he uses many principles into the animation, like exaggeration and change in shape, while taking reference from 3D animation to emphasize the sense of space, which really made his animation stand out and interesting. I've done similar character animation before, but I found my previous work is very rigid, not only because I was new to animating, also because it was hard to have the modeling exaggerated in the software as it would mess up the mesh. So in the first folio, I wish I could make a 3D character move like it is in 2D to have this vivid and lively feeling. I did some research and I'm glad I found this technique called target morph. It's also called blend shape that allows me to basically to create a frame by frame 3D animation. I looked at a few tutorials and I found out that works in software like ZBrush and Blender, which I not really worked before I mainly work with Maya, so I think I'll learn this software at a more later stage. After knowing the direction I was going is feasible, I started the character design. I came up with this astronaut cat design. After a few iterations, in terms of the style, I think I'm going to do with this cartoonish style. I would have the shell of my character into this vibrant cute color. I'm going to achieve this through backface culling and toon shader in Maya. So far, I've already modeled my character in Maya and ZBrush. Here is some work in progress screenshot, and yeah, and here is the current stage of the modeling. I did some try in the proportion of the face and UV, but I think it's a scratch as I've already found some problem and I think there's space to improve. So I'm going to model the ear in ZBrush and head in Maya separately to make it look better. For the next 2 weeks, I'll finish the modeling, UV mapping, texturing, and go through the tutorials I found, and I think I'll be working with ZBrush.